two input CMOS OR gate. So for OR gate, the equation y is equal to a plus b. So CMOS OR gate, y is equal to a plus b bar. So this is a circuit diagram of two input CMOS OR gate. So let us see how to draw the stick diagram for two input CMOS OR gate. The first step is to draw the plus VDD and VSS lines. So the first step is draw the VDD and VSS lines. So VDD, VSS, which is nothing but we can represent ground. So next step is to draw the P diffusion layer. So P diffusion means to indicate the terminals of source and drain terminals. So in the pull-up network, so there are three transistors, PMOS transistors. So two transistors which are in series. So this is one transistor and this is one transistor, P diffusion layer. So this is a source terminal, this is a drain, and source and drain. So for this series representation of transistor, one more transistor is connected parallel. So see, the source is connected to ground. So source is connected to VDD, drain. So next step is to draw the N diffusion. So N diffusion with green color and P diffusion with yellow color. So N diffusion, two NMOS transistors which are connected in parallel. So see, source is connected to ground. Next, for this parallel representation, one more transistor is with parallel. So indicate the terminal names drain, source, and here drain and source. So the next step is to connect the terminals of N diffusion and P diffusion. So P diffusion connect. So drain is connected to source here. Drain is connected to source. Okay. Next, N diffusion, same using the green color. Two drains are shorted together. Okay, completed. Now the next step is connection between the N diffusion and P diffusion. So here P diffusion drain is connected to the pull down network of the transistors. So using the metal, which is nothing but using blue color. So next drain is connected to drain here. So next drain is connected to drain. So completed. So the next step is to draw the gate terminal, which is nothing but polysilicon layer. So always the gate terminal using the red color. So draw horizontal lines which crosses over the diffusion layers, N diffusion and P diffusion. So this is the indication of the gate terminals of all the transistors. Next, give the connection between the input terminals. So A is connected to A. So pull-up network of A is connected to A. So using the same red color only. Next to B. So this B is connected to B. Input B. So next two gate terminals are shorted together here. So shorted. Next, contact point. So where you have to give the contact point means when two different layers meet. So you have to indicate one contact point. So see, this is blue and this is yellow. One contact point. So here, next here, and here. So last here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of contact means where two different colors meet, you have to give one contact point. Now the indication of output terminal. So see here output. So first part of the circuit output is given as input to the CMOS inverter here. So I am indicating here. So next here at the total circuit output you have to indicate Y, output Y. So this is a stick diagram. So this is stick diagram of the two input CMOS OR gate. So likewise you can implement two input CMOS OR gate or three input CMOS OR gate, four input, etc.